In this comprehensive bandsaw versus table saw comparison video, we will address some of the most pressing questions. What distinguishes these two saws? What tasks can one perform that the other cannot? Is it necessary to have both, and which one is the more expensive tool? Let's dive into the details and help you make an informed decision. These two tools, the bandsaw and the table saw, each have their unique strengths and applications, making them essential additions to woodworking shops and garages worldwide. The table saw is the go-to woodworking workhorse, known for its versatility and precision. It's often the centerpiece of any workshop setup. It consists of a flat, horizontal table-like surface with an elevated circular blade that protrudes through the table's surface. The blade is driven by a motor, and it can be adjusted in terms of height and angle to achieve different types of cuts. Table saws are widely used in woodworking shops, construction sites, and DIY projects due to their accuracy and ability to make precise cuts. They are especially useful for tasks like ripping, cutting wood along the grain, crosscutting, cutting wood across the grain, mitering, cutting wood at an angle, beveling, tilting the blade to cut at an angle, and making dados, grooves, and rabbets, notches, in wood. On the other hand, the bandsaw offers a distinct set of capabilities that make it an indispensable tool for certain tasks. A bandsaw is a power tool used for cutting various materials, primarily wood but also metal, plastic, and more. It consists of a continuous loop of a narrow, toothed blade that rotates around two wheels, one of which is powered by a motor. As the blade moves in a continuous loop, it creates a cutting action, allowing for versatile and intricate cuts. Bandsaws are known for their ability to make curved and intricate cuts, making them particularly useful for tasks like cutting irregular shapes, resawing, cutting a board into thinner slices, and creating detailed patterns. They are popular tools in woodworking, especially in furniture making, carpentry, and other applications where precision cutting is required. The table saw is like the golf club to a golfer or the racket to a badminton player. It's a foundational tool for any woodworker. With adjustable blade widths, various blade sizes, and a reliable fence system, table saws can perform precision cuts like squares, miters, rips, bevels, and grooves. It's an essential tool for beginners and seasoned woodworkers alike. While a bandsaw should not replace a table saw, it excels at specific tasks that a table saw cannot handle. Bandsaws are perfect for scroll cuts, creating curves and working with dense materials over 3.5 in thickness. The table saw is ideal for dados, grooves, insets, squares, rips, bevels, and miters. The bandsaw shines when it comes to curves, scrolls, and other intricate shapes. When choosing between a bandsaw and a table saw, consider the types of materials you'll work with, safety precautions, kerf size, and material thickness. Both tools require proper safety gear due to the sharp, high-speed blades. Table saws are known to be riskier, while bandsaws use thinner blades that result in less wasted material. If you're dealing with thick materials, a bandsaw is your go-to choice. Its thinner blades result in less wasted material, making it a favorite in timber mills. In the bandsaw versus table saw debate, the table saw often takes the lead as the go-to woodworking tool for versatility and precision. However, it's not about one tool being better than the other. Each has its place and purpose in your woodworking journey. So, whether you choose a table saw, a bandsaw, or both, remember that having the right tools will help you create remarkable woodworking projects. Happy woodworking!